Hey everyone, welcome back to Native GIS Today. I'm giving you a sneak peek into one of our most requested and most exciting topics yet.
Imagine a city that can sense traffic jams before they happen or alert you instantly if the air quality dips. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, that future is already here thanks to IoT sensors and mapping technology. Every day, thousands of tiny devices, called IoT sensors, are quietly tracking the pulse of your city. From monitoring air pollution to measuring bridge vibrations, these sensors are collecting real-time data 24/7. But here's the secret weapon: geospatial maps. These digital maps turn endless streams of sensor data into clear, actionable insights for city planners, emergency responders, and, yeah, even you. For example, in Barcelona, a combination of IoT and maps led to a 33% reduction in water waste by monitoring park irrigation. In New Delhi, air quality sensors and mapping help warn citizens about pollution hotspots, saving lives. Traffic jams? Sensors inside smart traffic lights and roadways analyze vehicle flow. If congestion builds up, traffic signals adjust in real time. In Pittsburgh, this cut traffic wait times by up to 40%. These tools also make cities safer. Imagine a pipeline leak caught by pressure sensors before anyone smells gas, or emergency teams using real-time maps to navigate the quickest route during floods or fires. This isn't just smart, it's revolutionary. The World Economic Forum estimates that using IoT and maps could help cities save up to $100 billion each year by preventing disasters, slashing congestion, and reducing pollution. But here's the surprising part. Most cities have just started tapping into this potential. Imagine what your city could achieve as more sensors go online and more data flows into these intelligent maps. So, what would you like your city to sense next? Noise, water safety, road temperature? Comment below how you think IoT sensors and maps could improve your neighborhood. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into how geospatial tech is shaping our world.
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.